David here from HR Power Equipment. Just like to give you a very quick run through on our latest model stump grinder. Now this is powered by a 15 horsepower low sin engine, really good quality engines. We've been selling them for a while now. It has 9 cutting teeth in the head. If I tip the machine back here, it's got 9 cutting teeth, 3 left, 3 right and 3 centre. Self-centering carriage bearings, centrifugal clutch, 2 B-section drive belts, pneumatic tyres and a rear brake for pivoting. So you lock the brake and that gives you the point of pivot for when you're grinding the stumps. Complete with dead man's handle, which the handle must be held to start. The moment you release it, that kills the engine just in case you trip over or have an accident. So I've got a couple of stumps prepared here, so we'll do a quick run through and grind them and see how well it goes. Okay, I've brought the stump grinder over to a couple of old pine stumps. Now, real important that you scratch around the bottom of these stumps before you start grinding. This is a prime example. I found a couple of big lumps of concrete tucked in the bottom. Best way to destroy teeth. They're designed for cutting wood, not bits of concrete and steel. And some of these old stumps, you never know what you'll find. Rocks and goodness knows what, bits of wire, waratahs, whatever. So just a wee precautionary thing. So I'll just bring the camera in here. Excuse my wobbling around a wee bit. Let's fire this machine up and see how well she goes. Okay, well hopefully that gives you a wee bit of an idea. The depth that you can go to is about 300. How deep you want to go down here is entirely up to you, how much material you rake away. but it produces a very fine sawdust. And as I say, important to scratch around the bottom of those stumps to make sure you get rid of any debris like bits of concrete, big rocks or wire waratahs or anything like that. They will destroy teeth very, very quickly. Designed for cutting wood. There you have it, the 15 horsepower 9-tooth stump grinder from HR Power Equipment. For more information, feel free to check out hrpower.co.nz. Drop us an email at sales@hrpower.co.nz. Give us a call on 03 6844 593 should you need any more information. Thanks for watching.